Hey you guys, it's Danae here, and today I'm back with another video. Oh, excuse the nail. The nail broke. Nail appointment is not until next week. Yeah, it's a sad day. But it's okay, everything's fine. Everything's totally fine. I'm just gonna try not to talk with my hands as much because I talk with my hands, but now I got a broken nail. So, I mean, it is what it is. But today, you guys, I am on here and I'm going to be doing a wig install for you guys. Last time I did I dyed my hair and then I just put my wig on, and I didn't show you guys how I put my wigs on. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing today, / a hair review. So if you guys want to see that, you know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, tell a friend to come tune in. And like I always say, y'all can always sit with me. So, like this video. And if you guys want to see how I install my wig and give y'all a little review on this wig, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so today, like I said, we're going to be doing a wig install / hair review. I got this wig. It is a synthetic wig, and I just felt like after I did my hair on New Year's and that was a synthetic wig, I was like, and you know, synthetic wigs right now are like what's popping, because if you could look good and save $1, save a coin, honey, why not do so? So I decided to jump on the bandwagon and I got me another synthetic wig. I just went to the hair store in my city of Philadelphia, even though my city needs some help. But my city got the good hair stores, okay? Out where I live at, the hair stores, they get me through with like the needs that I want, as in the needs that I have, as in braiding hair, eyelashes, you know, the strips that I got on, you know, things like that. But when it comes to wigs, a wide variety of wigs, I don't trust them. It's not too many options for me to go off of, and the ones that are there that they have on display are just not, I can't. The one that I got for New Year's, that was a risk, and it only lasts, it didn't last long, and it was longer. I had cut it, but that's neither here nor there. I got this wig, this sensational wig, butter lace. Yeah, it is a HD lace with ear-to-ear lace parting, and it has a pre-plucked hairline. And I got the color Flamboyage Chocolate, Butter Unit 7. Yeah. 100% premium fiber. This is my first time getting this wig, but after I bought it, I didn't know nothing about this wig, but after I bought it, I went on YouTube and looked at some reviews of it because I just wanted to try some color, which is why I got this wig. I wanted to try some color just because I never really do color, so I was like, let's spice it up a little bit. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna get right into this wig review / install, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, chill. So under my scarf, I just took my braids out, my twists. I just had some twists in. I just took those out. I didn't wash my hair because I won't have this wig in for long. I just needed to do something real quick. Yeah, so I just put my hair, comb my hair out, put it in a low ponytail, slick my edges back with some Got To Be Freeze Blast to lay it down at the top. So yeah, we got her really flat, and then I'm gonna put my wig cap on, so this is just gonna be back there, whatever. You know, y'all got a big old head here. Y'all, so this is the color, and this is what she's looking like fresh out. I can't remember, hold on, how long is she? How long she is, guys. I would say like 26 inches. So this is the cap. Like they said, you have the ear to ear parting. This is the cap. You have three combs and an adjustable band. I am just gonna put the adjustable band on the tightest little clippy. All right, so I like put her on the tightest one, and just like based off feel, it's like it's really soft. It's really soft. I ain't even gonna hold you. We got some shedding, but you know, it's a freaking synthetic wig, so what can you expect all that much? But let's look at the hairline. The hairline is really good, for real, for real. After I laid it, slayed it, you know, did the thing, did the do. Y'all, and I actually really like it. It's like really cute, y'all. Yo, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Because what? Because what? Oh, y'all, my chick making a lot of noise. Because what? Y'all, this is really cute. I like this color. The color is really good. So you know, it is it could be a side part or a middle part. I made it a middle part because my widow's peak just likes to do what it wants to do, for real. Like, honestly, I have a widow's peak. My edges are really low, like, so like I don't really know how to do frontals and whatnot because of my edges being so low. But y'all, this one is cute, honey. I'll see if I can FaceTime real quick. I just wanted to get your reaction.
Looks good.
Thank you.
You did a real good job.
Thank you.
Other ones that look better.
The other one looks better. So that was his reaction. He thought it looks good. He's like in a funk, but he still let me be great. But yeah, you guys, so this is like I said, this is the sensational wig. It is a full synthetic wig. It says 100% premium fiber, whatever that means. I just know that it is synthetic hair. I am gonna stand up real quick so y'all can see how this fucking now. I'm gonna stand up real quick so y'all can see how long it is. Y'all, this looks good. Yes, I love it. I think it looks really cute. But yeah, you guys like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to come tune in with me. And guys, you can always have a seat with me. Did I already say? Oh, and y'all also need to follow me on all my social medias. I'm gonna go make some TikToks today because I just did my hair. So I'm gonna make some TikToks. And yeah, follow me on TikTok at Pritney. Follow me on Instagram at _crochet. Everything will be down in the description box below. Instagram and TikTok, and of course subscribe to my channel. And you guys, I hope you like this wig because I like this wig. This wig is really cute, girl. I was not expecting it to come out so cute, but it looks really freaking cute. It looks so good. Oh, y'all see, so y'all, all right, I'm gonna go before I start rambling on and on about a bunch of nothing. But yeah, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. And again, subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'm gonna be doing more videos like this, so just stay tuned, okay? Period. I'm feeling myself, y'all. All right, bye.